What's up, guys, with another video, and today
Where you at?
I will be playing Animal Company, going to the secret map, and yeah, let's just get started. Shout out yourself, because I can't remember anything.
Hey, I have a
My
TikTok.
name is Ezekiel O'Shea.
I have a TikTok. My name is JBVR_GTag. So make sure you go follow that channel. Make sure you go follow that account. It was a channel.
And shout out to the other guy.
Ezekiel O'Shea.
Who the hell's that?
Who are you?
Oh, why
I don't
are
have
you friends? Leave! You need to leave!
Can you just leave, bro?
Parker Barbecue. Please leave. Trying to do a video. Alright. Come on, we're gonna be going to the secret map.
I have everything.
Do you have a teleport?
Oh, wait, hold
grenade?
up. I need a teleport grenade.
Here you go.
No, I have them. I have them. I'll flip.
I'm here.
Well, what the flip? Hold on 1 second.
Ezekiel O'Shea.
Guys, 1 second. I missed. Hold on 1 second.
I don't need this.
Good. Hold on, guys. Oh my gosh. No. And
Ready?
Wait.
No, I'm not.
No.
Wait.
Yes.
Somebody grab that! Somebody grab that!
I got it. Wait, I'm not ready. Alright, there. There's water. Make sure you watch out. There's water. Why did you do that?
Because I fell out! Wait!
Bro, what is stupid?
Just use your grappler.
You can't use the grappler to get all the way over there.
No, I said like use your grappler to get back up here. Why do you use rockets to get back up here?
Where is he supposed to put the rockets then?
He has the slip thing. The Oh, bro! Hold up. I need to get another one. I need to get another one.
How are we supposed to? Oh wait, buy a backpack.
Hello. You guys doing the glitch?
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm your friend, Mr. Scammery.
Wait, is there still 3 people in the code? Is he original? Wait, there's 4?
Wait, what? I just joined this.
Oh, then leave. We're doing something.
Alright.
Alright, guys, I'm ready.
I'm not.
No, I am.
No, your umbrella! Oh, wait, it says.
No, flip. No. Wait, no.
Here,
Here, put it all the way up here. Put it all the way up here.
Right here, look.
Somebody.
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry. They're safe, bro.
Oh, wait, hold on. No, wait, no, wait. Wait, hold on.
Wait.
Which umbrella? What?
Okay. I'm getting them. I'm getting them. Where are they?
Here.
Alright. Oh. Nope.
Bro.
No, Blender just doesn't work. I just made a copyright image.
Let me me see your feet. Let me tickle them. Eat red meat. Because cinnamon. I'm out here playing games.
Hold on, guys. Wait. I need to grab another thing.
Did you know I'm friends with the owner of this game?
Really?
No, you are not. Yeah, Coda. I am. Adam. Already.
No, like add him to the squad.
He's not online.
Cat.
No, like I have him added on Animal Company.
Go take a pic.
Guys, hold on 1 second. 1 second.
Hey, bet I'll take a pic so you can see.
Alright, guys, I'm here.
He's over there.
Alright, ready?
Oh my gosh. Guys, what the flip?
What?
This is the brand new map.
What the flip?
This is actually the brand new map.
Busted?
be added to-
What the flip?
It says busted because we came here early.
Busted.
Dude,
Yeah,
this
guys, I
looks
gotta go eat.
terrible. This looks terrible.
No, dude, come here. Do you know that gaming room? I know where it is. Follow me.
You do?
Throw all of this. Yes, I do. Grab a grappler. Here, I'll buy you one.
No, I got him. Okay, I got a grappler.
I would get two.
Yeah, me too.
Come up here. Keep following.
Okay.
Up here.
Amazon. Set a 6-minute timer. The
Over
video
here.
has to end in 6 minutes. This is so...
No, this is super good. It's because, bro. So whenever it's nighttime, when this update comes out, oh, you can come back here. So when it's nighttime, you can just fall asleep here.
That's cool. Wait, what about over here?
Oh, wait, my hand.
Oh, wait, hold up 1 second.
What? Where?
Okay, hold on 1
over
second.
here,
I'm gonna
where?
end the video. Well, that's it for today's
Wait.
video, guys. Bye.
Goodbye.